Hello, welcome to this Minded service. This is a technician review of the customer 4846 at the Chรพลbranch. And basically, this is the iPad Pro 9.7 inch. Oops, I forgot to. Okay, this is iPad Pro 9.7 inch, a model A1674. So the problem was the battery. So battery is bad, and after long used the iPad for years, and the battery will pop up like a bubble inside the battery, make a bubble, and the screen was pop up as well. And that's why we need to replace it for customer. And yeah, this is after work done. We glue it back together. There you go. Everything is fine. Okay. And if you have the iPad or you want to use in service, feel free to contact us at the Minded service. And see you next video. Bye bye.